Have you ever noticed how dry erase markers always seem to dry out? I always thought it was because they were cheap or they were broken, or that's just maybe what dry erase markers do. And then literally someone asked me, have you ever actually read the instructions? And apparently dry erase markers are supposed to be stored horizontally. And then they told me something even weirder. So like Sharpies, they're supposed to be stored tip up. And then ballpoint pens, they're supposed to be stored point down. So there you have 3 different writing tools with 3 different operating instructions. And then of course my brain immediately went, well shit. That's exactly how we treat people. We hire someone and we think, cool, another employee. Like everyone else is supposed to work the exact same way. We forget to get curious. We don't ask them what helps them do their best work. We don't ask how they learn. We don't ask how they communicate. And then we wonder why people burn out. Why some people struggle and others don't. Why someone we thought was difficult suddenly thrives under a different manager. I've spent years blaming dry erase markers, and it turns out I might have been the problem. I was damaging them. So you know what I did? I went home and I laid out every single one of my dry erase markers flat. Because once I knew better, why wouldn't I? The marker wasn't defective. I had just never learned how it was supposed to work. And now, let's be clear, people are a whole hell of a lot more complicated than just a dry erase marker or a Sharpie or a ballpoint pen. So maybe before we decide that a person is broken, we should spend a little bit more time learning what they need.